Hello again, everybody. This is Justin Lemon, aka Hambrozilla, and I'm going to give you all a brief demonstration of some simple entity field query concepts. In this example, I've used some pretty basic query building methods and one object extension, so this code should be pretty accessible to those unfamiliar with EFQ or object-oriented programming. For starters, I'll show you the class I use to extend EntityFieldQuery. In this class, titled Video Game EntityFieldQuery, I define a constructor method so that anytime I instantiate a video game EntityFieldQuery object, it should already have these conditions below. Now these are methods that come inside the EntityFieldQuery class, and I'll explain a couple of them for you right now. The entity condition method allows me to filter based on entity type, of which I've selected node. The property conditions allow me to select any video game node. Those are nodes with the content type video game which I've created. And status 1 says that that node has to be published. And finally, the field order by method allows me to sort my results by the field release date in descending order. So I've created two separate callback methods and menu items to showcase how we can modify the object once it's been created. In my first function, I don't really do any modifications. I just want to return all the video game nodes. So I create the video game EntityFieldQuery object, and then after that I should be set to retrieve any video games due to my constructor method, so all I need to do now is run the execute method to grab the results. After that I manipulate the data and output that data in a table, and here you can see that table. And as you can see, it outputs all my video game nodes with the body, a description text, and the release date. And it should be sorted in descending order based on release date. Now in my second function, up here, I've decided that I only wanted to show games that have been released within the last 3 years. So I instantiate my video game EntityFieldQuery object again, add a new field condition, and this condition stipulates that I wanted to filter the release date field and only retrieve rows in which that value is greater than or equal to right now minus 3 years. And then again I manipulate the data and put it into a table, which you can see here. So as you can tell, it kind of filtered my results so that now it's only showing any video games released in the last 3 years. So I hope this quick demonstration has shed a little bit of light on this useful core Drupal 7 class, has been in some way beneficial to Drupal experts and beginners alike. Thank you very much.